Dubai. It's been nice. We can be together. I asked a few minutes ago if you can join us in Colonia in the hospital. And if it is not, Chairman, thank you very much. Gopal.
With your time, I'll just have my sincere respect to a while ago. Great respect to all of you from both congregations. Yung wala pa Totola and yung kasi along with you. Yung pastor na Machuco. Time that HSM is right here. Thank you all for bearing with us. We are now that stand up, get prepared, and start our church county to do that conference. Thank you very much. Salamat po mga siluan.
This time belongs to you. If I cook, or if you something. Go ahead.
Well, Neil.
Magto na siya mga driver, partner, kailangan na side kami